My name is Anna. I'm 30 years old. I lived with my husband in a quiet city. Our life was simple. We did not have much money, but I believed we had love. I worked in a small office. My husband worked in a private company. Every morning, I woke up early. I made breakfast. I cleaned the house. I packed his lunch with care. I never complained. I thought love meant patience. In the beginning, my husband was kind. He smiled at me. He talked to me. But slowly everything changed. He started coming home late. Sometimes he did not come home at all. When I asked him, he became angry. He said, "Stop asking questions." I felt lonely even when he was near me. One day I lost my job. I told him with fear in my voice. He did not comfort me. He said, "Now you are useless." Those words broke my heart. Days passed. We talked less. We ate in silence. The house felt cold. One evening, I came home tired. The door was locked. My clothes and bags were outside. I thought it was a mistake. I knocked many times. No answer. After some time, my husband opened the door. His face was empty. He said, "You don't belong here anymore." I cried. I begged him. I said, "This is my home." He replied, "I don't want you." Then he closed the door. That night, I sat on the street. The air was cold. My body was shaking. Cars passed me like I did not exist. I felt small. I felt broken. I felt invisible. I had no money. I had no phone. I had no place to go. I hugged my bag and cried quietly. I remembered the days I cooked for him. I remembered the promises he made. The street was hard, but my heart was harder. Morning came slowly. My eyes were swollen. An old woman stopped near me. She asked softly, "Are you okay?" I could not speak. She gave me water. She sat with me. She said, "Life can be cruel, but you are still strong." Her kindness saved me. She took me to a small shelter. It was not comfortable, but it was safe. I started cleaning rooms there. The work was heavy. My hands hurt, but I did not stop. Every night I cried alone, but every morning I stood up again. Slowly, I found a small job in a shop. The pay was low, but it was honest. I saved money. I learned to smile again. After many months, I rented a small room. It was tiny, but it was mine. Now I wake up in peace, no shouting, no fear. I look at myself in the mirror. I see a woman who survived. I was left on the street. I lost my home. I lost my marriage. But I found my strength. Sometimes